buckle in. Welcome back to the channel. It is your host Rob with I-25 Kia. It's a new week, meaning it's a new adventure. I'm currently driving Kia's 2019 fully loaded SX Sorento. Probably one of my favorite cars that I ever get to drive at I-25 Kia. So I've had the Sorento for the entirety of the week, and it has helped me get to all the hikes that I've been wanting to do for Hike Week. So the first hike at the beginning of the week was Coyote Ridge, which is right in between Loveland and Fort Collins. Pretty decent hike, not much shade, but it's just beyond the green belt, so you get a very scenic drive and get away from all the people. So yeah, watch my time lapse from Coyote Ridge. Second hike of the week, one of my good friends recommended that I check out Gateway, which is right up the Poudre. It's about 17 minutes up the Poudre actually. You have nice coverage, it's not too much of an incline. I'd say it's moderate difficulty, but if you follow the trail all the way, it ends up at Seaman Reservoir, and it's very pretty. Here's the time lapse I shot while I was at Gateway. On day 3, I wanted to do a little bit easier of a hike, one I was more familiar with, because my legs were kind of feeling like jelly. It didn't help that I went out on a ducky adventure. If you don't know what duckies are, here you go. Yeah, so I had a very intense morning and then I had to hike. So I ended up going to Arthur's Rock, and here's the time lapse from that. the week. There was a lot of rain coming into the forecast. I was a little hesitant to get out into it, so I went later in the day, which was exactly when the storms came in. So yeah, here's my footage from Horsetooth Falls. Enjoy. If you enjoyed Hike Week, make sure to let me know. Maybe we'll do it again. But once again, if you have any questions about the 2019 Sorento or any Kia vehicle, go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day. Bye.